The LOCKTABLE function or statement allows us to explicitly lock a table, so while we are writing in that table, no other users are able to update the table. Now we will not lock the complete table. It will be a SQL Server that decides to lock. It might lock one or multiple pages or rows, or it might need to escalate the lock to a greater level. Let's have a look at an example in the code where we are using the LOCKTABLE statement in, for example, the post line code unit. Here we see an example of a post line code unit, which we also discussed earlier. And if I scroll down, what we notice, it's the code function of the post line code unit that will perform the actual work. And what we would like to do is transfer a journal line and convert it into ledger entries. What you notice is that at the moment that we try to determine the numbers of the ledger entries that you would like to generate, we will also start to write into that table. And while we are posting, no one else can also post at the same time, because the numbers should not be mixed up between different postings. And to do that, we will use the LOCKTABLE statement on the ledger entry table. So we will lock the table until our transaction is finished. We will not only do that for the ledger entry table, but we'll also do that, as you can see right here, for the register table. And that's why we use the LOCKTABLE statement. And the lock will be released when we reach the end of our posting routine.